Hi, it's Amy with WTI. Summer has begun, and this is my favorite find so far this season. These are Kinder Fluff Car Window Shades. They are a must-have for everyone's vehicle, in my humble opinion. Now I have instant shade whenever I need it. These things are just awesome. They come in a small little pouch. You pull them out, they pop open, you pull them apart, and stick the glossy side onto the part of the window that you want it. Smooth it out, and you're done. Shade in just seconds. These are great for putting in the back windows to keep the sun out of your baby's eyes or your kids. These are 20 by 12-inch shades. They come in a 4-pack, 2 transparent and 2 semi-transparent. They are certified to block over 99%, almost 100% of UV and UVB rays. The material that's used feels very durable, and they're super easy to fold up, put away, and store in your car without taking up hardly any space at all. So if you're looking for a great practical baby shower gift, or you need some shade while you're traveling for your pet, child, or for yourself, these are a great option that's well worth checking out. And that's my point of view.